Today we are making tiramisu, an easy recipe without alcohol. You need 1 liter of milk, 2 packages of ladyfingers, 400 gram labne. Instead of labne you can use cream cheese, mascarpone, or for our German friends, Quark. 250 grams sugar, about 100 gram flour, 2 eggs, 2 tablespoons of coffee and some water to dissolve it. First, we take the coffee and dissolve it in hot water and let it cool down. We don't want to burn our hands later while dipping the ladyfingers after all. In the meantime, get the milk to boil, add the sugar, but be careful to constantly stir the milk. It burns really fast or it gets clumpy if you are not careful. Then add the eggs and continue stirring. Now you can add the flour bit by bit. Don't just dunk it all at once. Feel the consistency of the milk change while adding it. In my case, I needed all the flour, but when you feel that the mixture gets thicker, you may need less. If it is still too watery, add a spoonful more. When you're happy with the consistency, you can finally add the labne, cream cheese, mascarpone or Quark. We even used to make a mixture of Quark and mascarpone so that it wouldn't be too heavy. Stir until it is fully mixed. Let it boil just a tiny bit and turn the stove off. Now it's time to lay it all out. Dip the ladyfingers shortly into the coffee and put them into your tray of choice. I used the glass one, but of course you can make yours into any other container. A small bowl makes for a good presentation as well. After our first layer, we add a good portion of our cream and repeat the dipping and laying of ladyfingers. My tray wasn't really deep, so I had to be careful not to make it overflow. So depending on your container, you may have some cream, coffee and ladyfingers left. I had a glass mug that I just filled up like the others. I even know some cafes where they present it in cute jars, so the choice is yours. A really important thing to note at the end here is to let the tiramisu rest for at least 10 to 12 hours. I usually make mine the night before. To top it all off, you put some cacao over this delicious treat and ta-da! Enjoy your tiramisu! All the information for this recipe is in the description below, along with different types of measurements and other information. If you enjoyed the video, feel free to like and subscribe.